It's clear.
Yes. So the meeting today we arranged to discuss some of the points what I captured here. So first we want to understand this exercise we started in January 2020 and first report we start producing in April 2020. So from April up to now, every month consistently we are making the report, we are reviewing with the team, we are making the corrections, we are making the corrective actions, and it is going very good with all your support. So first I want to thank all our team for their effort and timely reporting to us and taking our input and making the things success. So as a team, we are achieving very good results. So this meeting, how we can go from this stage to next stage? This is our today's discussion mainly. So I want to cover some of the topics. What's our aim of doing this process? Second, why we are doing this process in our organization? Third, what is the role of our team in doing this process? And currently where we are and what are all the challenges and improvements we want to do and what is our plan for further? And what is some expectation from the team, and we will conclude. This is our overall for our today's meeting. So the first point regarding the aim. So what should be our aim? Our project management team is the pivotal point. That means who is knowing the left-hand side and right-hand side. So our main duty or our main task is to monitor the budgeted cost and actual cost. So currently we are the one as a pivot balancing what is the budget, what is the actual cost. So our main aim is to balance or to monitor the budget and the actual cost very close. So if you see, the pivot has to balance left and right hand side. If one circle start growing big, then the system will get declined. So as a aim of our department is to control and monitor the budget of the project versus actual cost. This is our aim.